Hello and welcome to the next challenge, BI Excel challenge 139, something about vowels. I hope I pronounced it right. So like A, I, O, U and I. So here we have it. We need to list the sentences which contains any pair of words where the first word ends with a vowel and the next word starts with a vowel. Okay, that's a little bit tricky. So I do something like this and split all the words. So let S for sentence, SP for split, take the sentence in. So split, then I'll do W for vowels, A, I, E, O, U. So I have I have a list of vowels because I will need them later on. Finishes with an I and starts with an O. So like first word needs to be in vowel, the next word needs to be in so both needs to be in vowel. Okay, that makes it a little bit so like left from SP1 and right from SP. So I have here a list of a list of vowels. Now I will concat them. A list not of vowels, of first and last letters of a word. I need to drop like the first letter and the last letter. So like C, name the C, and then right from C and from C -1. So you see the L is away, and also left from then from C L -2. Is this right? Yeah. Would -1 also work? No. So here we have it. So like the S, the I, the D, the F, the M, the H, the R, and an M. Now we need to check if there's any combination of those vowels given. How do we want to do that? Firstly, we will need to name them. So K, don't know, for check, and then I'll do something like V and V and transpose V. So I'll have all the combinations for those two things. Now I want to have this in a col, in a single column. Yeah, now I have combinations, all the combinations, and now I want to check if there's any combination in K. So I need to search and find CO with K. I don't know if this will, oh no, this will not spill. So like search for CO lambda A, search AK. Here this should work. So we have a single, we search for A with K, and K is like this. I see. This was right. I think it will also spill. Let's check this with the next one. Oh yeah, because we need to have like so here you can see it's also in the answers is expected. So if we have if it will hand out an error if we don't have a match, and the number if we have a match. And now we need to, so we take the ISNUMBER argument. So if there is one number in, then this will then one of these arguments will be true. And now we sum all of this up, and here we have 1. And now if this is 1 or larger than 1, we have at least one combination of vowels in K, and K is like every time the first last letter of the word and the first letter of the next word, and the combination of let's short this, and 2 will also work because it's like here. So and now we need to map this, so like map all of those sentences, lambda s, erase the s here, 2 close brackets. Now you see everywhere where a number is, there is a match. Now we can make filter those sentences, and if there is a number, then those sentences will stay. Otherwise they will be deleted or not included into the filtering. As you can see, this is right. It was a little bit more complicated than expected, but I think I did it also a little bit overcomplicated, or in an overcomplicated way. But let's see. Yeah, a little bit shorter. Oh, that's cool. Okay, I give it thumbs up. No, thumbs up. Here's also cool example here. Rick is also quite neat. So yeah, it's a little bit longer formula, but you saw a little bit along the way and hopefully learned a little bit. I hope to see you next time.